Life grants nothing to us mortals without hard work. My story is going to be completely different than someone else's story in terms of hard work. What I might feel like is hard work, another person is dying to do. There is no obstacle in the path of young people who are poor or members of minority groups that hard work and preparation cannot cure. I do not know anyone who has got to the top without hard work. That is the recipe. It will not always get you to the top, but should get you pretty near. Success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come.